The bill of materials is the recipe for a product, what goes into one batch, and what that batch costs. The cost has three parts: materials, labor, and overhead. The part people get wrong is labor, so we will do it properly. ZetaFisc can work out labor from your own staff's pay and from your contractors' hourly rates. Let us build the recipe for our sourdough loaf. We name the recipe and choose the finished product it makes, our artisan sourdough loaf. One batch makes 50 loaves, so we set the output quantity to 50. Everything below is the cost to make those 50. We add a factory overhead of 3,000 naira a batch for power, gas, and rent. Now labor, the important part. We choose both, staff plus contractors. This lets us combine our own bakers, whose cost comes from their payroll, with a contractor, whose cost comes from his hourly rate. We assign our staff baker, Ada, and notice ZetaFisc already knows her salary, so it works out her hourly rate automatically from her payroll profile. We say one batch takes 4 hours of work, based on an 8-hour day. Then we add our contract master baker, Musa. His 4,500 naira hourly rate, the one we set on his contractor record, is pulled in automatically. ZetaFisc adds the two together into a combined hourly rate, multiplies by the 4 hours, and shows the labor cost for the batch. No guessing, no flat number typed in. Now the materials that go into one batch of 50 loaves. We add each ingredient, its quantity, and any wastage. ZetaFisc pulls each material's unit cost straight from inventory. Watch the cost summary at the bottom. Materials, labor, and overhead add up to the total cost of the batch, and ZetaFisc divides by 50 loaves to give the true cost of a single loaf. Let us scroll down and see it. We create the recipe. The bill of materials is saved, with a fully costed recipe, real material cost, real labor from staff pay and contractor rates, and overhead, giving an accurate cost per loaf. That cost is what every production run and every profit calculation will rely on.